Hello world, cocomarTech here, and in this video pag-uusapan natin ang bagong phone from OnePlus, which is the OnePlus 10 Pro. So kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, please consider giving this video a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell para ma-notify kayo for more tech videos. So, huwag na natin patagalin pa, and welcome to one episode of
TT with cocomarTech.
So let's start with the design of the OnePlus 10 Pro. So ang nakikita ko dito, it's inspired from Samsung S21 lineup. As you can see, yung camera setup niya sa likod, parang nakadikit siya sa aluminum frame ng phone. And then of course, you have your OnePlus logo sa likod. And yung ating harap, meron siyang Gorilla Glass Victus, again aluminum frame, and meron siyang weight of 200.5 grams, and dimensions ng 6.42 by 2.91 by 0.34 inches. So medyo mabigat siya dahil yun nga, Gorilla Glass yung kanyang durability. So very durable tong phone na to. So in terms of design, alam naman natin design is very subjective. So for me, okay naman siya. Hindi siya the best looking phone, pero hindi din siya the worst looking phone. So I think nasa gitnaan lang siya. Pero I like the concept na ginaya yung S21 design kasi maganda talaga yung S21 design. Alam naman natin sa phone industry, tech industry, nagagayahan lang naman. So, okay lang naman sa akin yun. So, yung pinakamagandang feature talaga or yung specs ng OnePlus 10 Pro is yung kanyang processor, which is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Pinakamabilis na processor yon as of now. Obviously, lahat naman magagawa niya. Gaming, whatever game na ilaro mo dyan, kahit gaano pa ka-graphic intensive yung laro mong games dyan. Well, personally kasi ako, ano ba naman ginagawa ko sa phone ko? YouTube, TikTok, Axie, Mobile Legends. So I think majority of the people will find this phone very, very fast. Kayo yung tipo na maybe nag-edit sa phone, this is a very capable phone to use. So right now, wala pa talagang OnePlus 10 Pro na global kasi nasa China pa lang yon ngayon. So hindi pa natin mare-review talaga yung phone as it is. So we're just gonna review this phone based on paper, yung kanyang specs. So, yung rumors din na yung China version ng OnePlus 10 Pro is running ColorOS 12.1. ColorOS ay OS ng Oppo, and ang OnePlus is a sister company of Oppo. I think mother company niya yung Oppo. Meron ding mga rumors na baka gawing ColorOS na rin lahat, pero more on may Oxygen OS pa rin yung global phone ng OnePlus 10. So, for the memory, meron kang 8GB of RAM, and meron ka ding 128GB of internal storage or 12GB of RAM and 256 internal storage. So meron din siyang UFS 3.1, which is very fast. Yung paglipat mo ng files sa phone mo from your phone to your laptop or vice versa, mabilis din siya. Hindi ko rin nabanggit, meron din siyang GPU na Adreno 730. So again, kahit anong gaming, very capable tong OnePlus 10 Pro. So for the camera, meron siyang triple camera system, a main lens, ultra-wide, and telephoto lens. So for the main lens, meron siyang 48 megapixel f1.8, 1.12 micron na main lens with OIS laser autofocus, and then meron siyang 8 megapixels f2.477mm telephoto lens na merong 1.0 microns. Meron din siyang OIS and 3.3 optical zoom, and 50 megapixels f2.2 ultra-wide lens na meron 150 degrees field of view and autofocus. So nakita natin dito, ang laki ng megapixel count for the ultra-wide lens, pero alam naman natin, or if you're not familiar, hindi naman porke mataas yung megapixel mo ay mas maganda na yung quality ng iyong photo. So we'll see. Pero based on sa mga videos na napapanood sa YouTube or mga reviews ng phone para sa actual phone, I'm not really impressed with it as of now. So, hindi ko naman masasabi na yun yung final verdict ko kasi hindi ko naman talaga nahawakan yung phone ngayon. Pero, based sa nakikita ko, hindi siya as competitive compared sa mga S21 lineup, sa mga iPhone. Pero, we'll see. Makikita naman natin mayroong mga software updates na ginagawa. Kaya, may possibility pa rin na maganda pa rin yung quality. Lalo Hasselblad yung kapartner ng OnePlus 2 sa mga lenses niya. So, we'll see. So, bukod sa triple camera lens sa likod, meron din of course selfie camera. Meron siyang 32 megapixels f2.2 wide lens na merong 0.8 microns. Kung di pala kayo familiar sa microns, ito yung kung gaano kalaki yung opening ng lens para may kung gaano karaming ilaw yung pumapasok sa lens. Fingerprint under the display sa screen niya. So in display, meron siyang LTPO AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, 500 nits of brightness, hanggang 800 nits of brightness. The size of the display is 6.7 inches, 90% screen-to-body ratio, 1440 by 3216 pixels, meron din siyang 20 by 9 aspect ratio, and 525 pixels per inch. And again, protection niya is Gorilla Glass Victus with always-on display. So what I see sa phone na to, actually it really depends kasi sa presyo. So alam naman natin, cheaper phones are getting better, and mahirap kasi justify na kahit gaano kaganda yung phone mo, pero kung gano'n naman yung presyo, na pwede mong bilhin sa mga mid-range phone, para mahirap justify yung price. Pero since hindi pa natin physically nahawakan yung phone, it's really hard to tell kung sulit ba talaga yung OnePlus 10 Pro. So only time will tell. Pero as of now, based sa mga online, ang price ng OnePlus 10 Pro is going to be around mga 40,000 pesos. Or 50,000 after taxes. So, depende pa rin. So, kung 50,000 pesos after taxes yung phone, I think it's going to be hard for them to market or sell yung phone dahil sobrang dami ng phones na sobrang ganda ngayon. That's actually it for this video. Diniscuss lang natin yung specifications ng OnePlus 10 Pro. And, ang rumors pala is lalabas yung OnePlus 10 Pro, yung global launch niya, around May to June. So, if you're a fan of OnePlus, comment down what are your thoughts about this phone. Excited ba kayo or hindi? So based on sa mga specifications na diniscuss natin in this video, what do you think of this phone? Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Keep safe, guys.